Principles of graphic design. The principles of graphic design suggest how the designer should best arrange the various components of a page layout to ensure the elements of the overall design are connected to one another. The principles of design include the following: 1. Harmony and unity. 2. Hierarchy. 3. Balance. 4. Alignment. 5. Proximity. 6. Repetition. 7. Contrast. 8. White space. Let me explain in detail. 1a. Harmony. Harmony in graphic design is the arrangement of elements such as colors, shapes, and symmetry to create a pleasing image that works all together. Harmony can be described as sameness, the belonging of one thing with another. The repetition of design elements like color, texture, shape, and form is one of the easiest ways to achieve harmony to create a composition. 1b. Unity. Unity is when the elements in a space combine to make a balanced, harmonious complete whole. The space feels right and everything works together. The result is a pleasing feeling that everything is right with the space. 2. Hierarchy. Hierarchy is a visual technique that can help the viewer navigate your work. It shows them where to begin and where to go next, using different levels. 3. Balance. Achieving visual balance in graphic design is done by using symmetry and asymmetry. Symmetry adds balance to a design. When elements are same on both sides of an axis, the design feels harmonious. 3a. Symmetrical design. Symmetry is when elements are arranged in the same way on both sides of an axis. Perfect symmetry is when elements are mirrored over the axis and are exactly the same on both sides. 3b. Asymmetrical design. The arrangement of elements is different on both sides of an axis. 4. Alignment. Alignment is about keeping the design organized. All aspects of the design should be aligned with the top, bottom, center, or sides to create a visual connection between the elements. 5. Proximity. Proximity is a sense of the distance between elements. Proximity creates a visual relationship between the elements of the design. It doesn't necessarily mean the similar elements need to be put right next to each other, it just means they should be connected visually. 6. Repetition. Repetition is a reminder that every project should have a consistent look and feel. Once you've chosen how to use your elements, repeat those patterns to establish consistency throughout the design. This repetition ties together individual elements and strengthens the design. 7. Contrast. Contrast simply means that one item is different from another. Using contrast allows you to stress differences between elements, ultimately highlighting the key elements of your design that you want to stand out. 8. White space. White space means negative space, like the spaces between content, between lines, and even the other margins. There is no one way to use white space correctly, but it's good to understand its purpose. White space helps you define and separate different sections. It gives the content room to breathe. Refer white space chapter. Summary. In this video we discussed, number 1. Harmony and unity. Number 2. Hierarchy. Number 3. Balance. Number 4. Alignment. Number 5. Proximity. Number 6. Repetition. Number 7. Contrast. Number 8. White space or negative space.